Hello, my sweet friends. Happy Wednesday. Today is a monumental, exciting day. Any guesses? Come on, y'all know me. What is today? I'm so excited. Take a guess. You guys, today is the fall takedown. You know what that means? It means I'm taking all of this down. Oh, am I excited. I am so ready to decorate for Christmas and bring up my trees. I can't stand it. So I mentioned this to my husband this morning while we're having coffee, like, can I talk to you about something? He's like, yeah, sure. What's up? And I'm like, how would you feel about me taking fall down like today? And he goes on to say, well, I really like what you've done and I'd like to enjoy it a little longer, but I get that you want to decorate early because you do so much. And I said, that is true. And I said, let me put it nicely to you. If I wait until the end of October to do this, I'm going to have to enlist your help in carrying things up and down the stairs for me. But if I do it today on my own, I am so excited to get decorating for Christmas. Chances are I will haul all this down to my storage room and you won't have to do a thing. Guess what? I sold him on it. That did the trick, ladies. So my sneaky manipulative self, it worked. So I'm about to get a workout on. Oh, you guys just wait. It takes me a long time to put all this stuff because you have to think things through. Like, how would I like this vignette to work? And you may do it and stand back and go, not liking it. And it takes you a few days to get it the way you want it, right? Well, taking it down is a piece of cake. Let's do this right now. Oh, before we begin, there are a few essential elements needed to get yourself in the frame of mind to be doing this. We need a Christmas movie on. Home Alone, a classic in our collection, right? Maybe a cup of coffee in a Christmas mug. Shall we do this? We need to get caffeinated, people, or we can't do this quickly. So Mama needs some coffee, fast. Let's start here. Done. See how fast it's coming down? Oh, it's coming down. I'm gonna have a big old mess, but that's okay. Done. Look at that. It cracks me up. It takes so long to create these vignettes, but to take them down, piece of cake. So I just ran down to my storage room and I grabbed a whole bunch of plastic bins. This is gonna make my life so much easier and it's gonna make everything go by lickety-split fast. Okay, so you can see I've got all my bins lined up. I've got one for floral arrangements, pumpkins. I'm gonna have one for signs, fall foliage. You get the picture. So hopefully this will go fast. So I'm taking my arrangements, putting them down here in my arrangement bin. Got another one. Let's see. Over here. See, I'm putting them all in there. Removing all my pumpkins and putting them in the pumpkin bin. and a lot of people don't realize that this stuff right here is time consuming. You have to kind of pick and weed through it, and then there's a lot of cleanup. So if I waited till the first week in November, I mean, my goodness, I would have a mess to clean. And then if you want to pack it away for the following year, you have to do it in a way that makes it easy when you pull it out the following year. So lots to do. I love this stuff, but it's messy. Oh, yes, it is. So, and then you've got to get Ziploc bags, and you want to repurpose your stuff. So I'm going to need to repurpose this for next year in nice little Ziploc bags and all that good stuff. So, lots to do. See, Ziploc bag. Oh, cleanup's going to be fun. The fallout on the floor is something else. Oh, but we love it, don't we? We love it. Better get my vacuum out. Quick! Somebody call the cleaning crew. Like I said, the kids aren't home. So important to clean as you go, or it becomes a huge mess. Now I got to take this down. So now I got to separate all that's going on here. I've got several garlands going on, and they are, see what I mean? You got to plan ahead, people. You have to, or it just takes forever. Do you like my bracelet? Moving on to my autumn tree. I hate to take you down. I really do. I love this tree. I just love it. But wait till you see how fast it goes. And I've got my bin here. So I'm just throwing everything in there. I usually do the ornaments last. Picks are great fillers for your tree, especially if you don't have a lot of ornaments. I don't have a lot of autumn ornaments, or I do when they're still packed away. So this enabled me to fill this tree, the skinny little pencil 6-foot tree, with all of this that I've acquired over the years. It always cracks me up how long it takes me to do a tree, and then how fast it takes me to disassemble it. Pretty funny. I'm almost done, guys. Can you believe it? I won't bore you. Now I'm taking the ornaments off. Easy peasy, almost. Sort of done. Done. And now I'm left with white lights. What could be better? It is ready to go for Christmas. Yay! See, like I said, it's all the little stuff that's time consuming. So it's good to get things done early. Taking this stuff off my shelf. I'm getting tired, guys. It is one muggy day today, and I feel like I'm just sweating. It's so hot. And I've got the air conditioner cranked. I've got my little seltzer water. Gotta stay hydrated when we're done. Undecorating. Done. Let's disassemble this mantle here. I don't know where to begin. Well, that was easy. Walmart. Done. Sorry guys, the lighting in here is just terrible right now, but anyway, we're gonna take apart this little vignette here. Easy, easy, easy. More pumpkins. I just love this. I've really enjoyed it, this little arrangement all fall, but it has to go. It has to. 5 fall leaves until next year. I told you, I talked to my home decor items. I will never stop saying that. I just do. I do. More raffia in the bag. This is just the fall in the family room, sunroom, kitchen. I have yet to do the foyer, the living room, the dining room. And I still have the entire basement to do. So I've been working hard over here, and now I gotta cart this all downstairs. So busy. So I just took down all my falling leaves, and you couldn't see it on my previous video, but these are gorgeous at night when the light hits them. You can kind of see it now. I'm gonna miss my falling leaves, but ornaments or snowflakes and icicles are gonna go in their place. And I simply hung them by little wires that I got at Walmart, and super simple off of a spring rod. So for all of you who are planning to keep fall up till, by Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving, this might be a fun idea for you guys. All from Walmart. Pretty, pretty. Okay, guys. Well, this mama has been very busy today. I managed to get all that stuff down. I still need to get that picture and all that up on top of the shelf, but I got everything off the shelf. And then over here, I got everything out of my hutch. I still need to get those candles, got the garland down. And then over here, you guys may remember I did the grapevine on top of that French country hutch. I'm gonna rethink ever using that stuff again. It was a mess. And then I've got all this stuff to put in bins. I knocked something down off of there and it went all over the floor, and so I had a big mess to clean up. Removed my table runner and all the stuff that was on it. Still have some stuff there I need to take down. Remove my pumpkin patch picture. But anyway, I'm happy with the progress I'm making. I still have to do the foyer, the living room, and the dining room. And then I've got to go and do the basement. That I have to tackle as well. But this was the big job, and I am so glad I got it done. But now on to my workout. I have to take each bin and walk it over to those stairs, take it all the way down the stairs, all the way to my storage room, and then put it all away. So everything's ready to go when I start taking out my Christmas stuff. But the good news is I've got pretty much a blank slate to work with. And that's what I'm most excited about. All right, before we go, I gotta say I'm sorry. I look like death warmed over today, and it's because our air conditioner, something was not right with it last night, and it was so hot, stinking, humid, and hot upstairs. It was really hard to sleep, and I woke up at probably 2:45 in the morning and could not go back to bed. So I've got bags under my eyes. I need a mask. I need a beauty day, girls. Anyway, excuse this mess. But anyway, just wanted to share the process with you, what goes into it. It does come down fast, but there's a lot of logistics with it because you've got a lot of things you've got to do to prep and prepare for the following year so that when you do start your fall decorating, you know where everything is and it's boom bada bang. You know what I mean? So anyway, this girl's got to go and get a workout on and carry all that stuff down. And then tomorrow I'm probably going to deep clean this house, get out the mop and the vacuum and dust and polish. And then the Christmas transformation can begin. And you see that mantle there? I want to put a 9-foot tree there and a 9-foot tree there. And then right here will be a 12-foot tree. So when you walk in these doors, it's going to look like a winter wonderland. That's my vision. We'll see if it works out the way I think it will. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Christmas is on its way.